So, this mic stand, is it worth it? You know what? Hey, what's up people? Your boy Stefan Davis for Stefan Davis TV. Been a very long time since I've uploaded anything to this channel, but we've all been in lockdown. I figured I would take the time to deck out a studio space that I've been working on. The other channel that we've been working on called We Make Heads Turn. Follow that link somewhere in the corner there. I was looking for table mic stands. This was literally the cheapest, decentest one I could find. Decentest, is that a word? No reviews when I bought it. Checked it today and it had one review. Post this here on the side. This isn't affiliated. Saw it, found it, thought, would this be a good buy? And here we are. So, already opened it. Bought two because I've got two microphones. And it comes in two separate boxes. Box one, box two. First box is long and this is going to be the pole part. And it's actually got NJS stands on there. Metal in design, telescopic pole. It's also got a small thread and a large thread. I'm not sure. I think it's maybe 3/4 inch thread. I don't know the technicals. This is just a review. So yeah, feels metal in design. Screw head is decent. This actually feels quite good. The bass. Now, when the bass arrived, this was a lot smaller than I was expecting. I think that's probably about 5-inch bass. Most tabletop mic stand basses, as far as I'm aware, are roughly around 7 to 10, I think. I'm a bit concerned about this because the microphones that I use are actually a bit heavy. That's it constructed. Construction wise, it feels good. Solid, really good. One thing to be concerned about is I've seen these heads before and I've actually seen the top like snap off. So I'm not 100% confident with that. Oh, that actually unscrews. Yeah, so that piece there unscrews. I mean, you know what? I think I paid $7.95 for this when I first bought it. And to be honest, it is a good design. I'm just concerned about the size of the bass. So, without further ado, get rid of that. Here's one I made up earlier. Now this is a Samson Steel One microphone. I've had this microphone for a while and I actually like the sound of them. Now, based on sitting down in a studio, the stool I'm sitting on is quite low. It's a decent height. It's definitely not designed for this type of microphone because it's a bit high. On that angle, yeah, that works. Good to have a telescopic because if you're sitting on a chair that's slightly higher, you can raise it and lower it. Sit at not tipping. And that was my concern about the bass. If you've got a smaller microphone, say like a dynamic microphone as opposed to like a large diaphragm microphone, it might actually be alright. I think that would probably work a lot better on this than this one would. Imagine, I will have a camera in front, maybe a camera to the left and a camera to the right, and this seems really, really high. So definitely, I think these are definitely designed for microphones to be positioned like this. Yeah, you know what? I'm impressed. It's a good little thing. For my purposes, may not be good enough. Yeah, I mean, this mic stand, is it worth it? You know what, for £7.95 or how much I paid for it in England, I think it is worth it. For small microphones, not for big ones like this guy. I'm gonna leave a link for it. I'm not affiliated, I'm not doing this, I'm just making a video because I haven't made any content for a long time. It actually comes with I'm not gonna open that out, but it actually comes with a microphone holder and it looks like the microphone holder is designed for a dynamic mic. For £7.85, if you're looking for a really cheap entry level, something that's sturdy, because it is sturdy, I'd recommend it. Hopefully this has helped somebody. So guys, that's me, Stefan Davis for Stefan Davis TV. I'm gonna do the whole spiel. Subscribe if you wanna subscribe. Like, drop a comment, drop whatever you wanna drop, and I will see you later in the bizzle.